make Papa proud? We're celebrating Father's Day, June 16, or the whole month of June, or every day. Pero paano? How do you make Papa proud?
To make my dad proud, I just try to do my best in everything that I can do.
Wonderful. Ikaw, Sandro, paano?
Bata po ako, yun lang yung goal ko eh, yung maging proud po sa kanya papa ko. Pero nung nag-graduate na po ako, parang sobrang naging mas nagkaroon ako ng fuel to make him proud. Nag-artista ako, ginawa ko yung best ko sa lahat ng bagay. Po.
One thing I admire about Sandro, boy, hindi ka siya tinulungan pumasok sa showbiz. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo mag-artista, sige, mag-artista ka, bala ka. Basta hindi ako tutulong sa'yo. Pero nakita ko talaga, nag-audition siya. He went through yung talagang normal na kailangan niya pagdaanan para mag-artista. And nakuha siya ng GMA Sparkle. So, yun, proud ako sa kanya ron.
Am I right that when you auditioned for Sparkle,
yes,
you didn't even use the Mulak family name?
Hindi po alam ng Sparkle.
Bakit?
I think, yun po, mas gusto ko po yung thrill na I'm on my own. Hindi ayoko po gamitin na parang porket mulak ako, parang nepotism na po agad. I don't want that. Gusto ko lang po parang on my own talents. Ayun
Okay.
Po.
Wow. Are you coming back, Alonzo?
Yeah, I plan on coming back soon.
Kasi you had a little break nung COVID,
Because of the pandemic.
Because of the pandemic.
Yeah.
But now at 14, you're ready to come back?
Let's
Not yet? Or priority pa rin ng school?
Priority pa rin ang school.
Yeah, priority pa rin ng school po.
That's good. Okay, but you'll never leave the business. Ito yung inyong
of course.
tahanan, di ba?
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay, let's do fast talk.
Okay.
Okay. We have 2 minutes to do this and our time begins now. On in.
Yes.
Mulak o bulak?
Mulak.
Child wonder or wonder daddy?
Wonder Daddy.
Small but
Yeah.
terrible o big but gentle?
Small but terrible.
Pamilya o sarili?
Pamilya.
Mabuting ama, mabait na asawa?
Mabuting ama.
Sandro, tinitilian o hinahangaan?
Hinahangaan.
Pag-ibig o karera?
Karera.
Hinay-hinay, mabilisan?
Mabilisan.
Cute o gwapo?
Cute.
Maliit o malaki?
Malaki.
Alonzo, ice o ice candy?
Ice candy.
Alonzo, puppy love o true love?
Puppy love.
FYP or FYI?
FYP.
TikTok or IG?
TikTok.
Like or share?
Like.
Onin, sino
Yes.
sa dalawa ang nagpupuyat naka-cellphone? Ang mas masikreto? Ang mas pikon?
Ay, ito.
Ang mas moody?
Moody?
Ang mas kaugali mo? Ang mas gwapo po? Ang mas gwapo sa iyo?
Ako.
Sandro and Alonzo, yes or no? Nakakatakot magalit si Daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Laging napapagalitan ni Mami si Daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Kuripot si Daddy?
Nasa mood.
Yeah.
Nasa mood.
Okay, yes or no? Matinik pa rin si Daddy?
Matinik pa rin.
Yes.
Yes or no? Cute pa rin si Daddy?
Yes.
Cute pa rin.
On in, lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness, on in.
Every day.
Sandro and Alonzo, the best si Daddy kasi?
Kasi mapagmahal siyang ama.
Same answer.
Onin, ang mga anak ko ang...
Pinaka-importante sa buhay ko.
Oy, that was nice.